Here is my double gatefold card using the Splendid Autumn Suite. You can open and reveal the birthday message inside. I started by creating a template. Here's my template. You're going to score at 1 1/4, 3 3/8, 7 5/8, and 9 3/4 on an 11 by 5.5 sheet. And then you're going to fold all of the lines. The first one goes in and the second one goes out. Okay, next I have 4 strips of 1 by 5 1/4, and the outer 2 ones I'm going to adhere first, and those are just some of the Balmy Blue Designer Series papers. And then the middle 2 I have cut right next to each other so that they will look like a continuation of the Designer Series paper. So just gonna make sure that they line up. Now for the inside of the card, I'm going to stamp this wood image 3 times in crushed curry, and then the happy birthday sentiment in Balmy Blue. And I'm just going to add this little leftover piece of the Designer Series paper on the bottom. It's 4 inches by 1/2 inch. And then I'm just going to adhere this to the inside of the card. For the front, I'm going to use this wheat image from the stamp set, and I'm going to stamp off in crushed curry. Now I'm going to add this sentiment from the Round We Go. I've cut out this leaf with Cajun Craze cardstock, and I'm going to apply that with a glue dot. And then I've also cut out the other leaf with crushed curry cardstock, and I'm going to use a dimensional for that. I do go back later and add a gold leaf. Then I'm just going to add dimensionals on one side and adhere that to the front of the card. Now I'm going to add some of the faux glass dots. These are really pretty and a really nice accent for the card. And that is my double-sided gatefold card using the Splendid Autumn Suite.